Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VPN split tunneling in ExpressVPN detailed guide step by step clearly. Launch the ExpressVPN application on your device. Sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Options or Preferences menu, usually found in the app's sidebar or menu. Click on it to open the settings. In the Settings menu, find the General tab. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Look for the Split Tunneling option. Select Split Tunneling to access its settings. You will see options to manage apps and websites. Choose the option that allows you to manage apps or manage websites. To enable split tunneling for specific applications, click Add App. A list of installed applications. Select the app you want to include in the split tunneling. You can also choose to exclude apps by switching to the Exclude option. After selecting your desired apps, confirm your choices. Once you've added or excluded apps, click Save to apply the changes. Return to the main dashboard. Your split tunneling settings are now configured. Test the setup by opening the selected applications. Verify that they are functioning as intended with the VPN on. If everything appears to be working correctly, you've successfully enabled split tunneling. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to ensure everything is configured properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.